Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Testing with Jamil. It's been a long time since I've shown you something, so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to install JUnit. JUnit is a testing framework used in Java. Most predominantly is used for test-driven development by developers. I mean, it's acceptance testing, all sorts of testing. I've used it quite a lot during my testing, designing test frameworks, implementing them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you that today. Before that, there's a prerequisites. So if you still haven't got Java JDK downloaded and installed, I'll put that in description. A video which I created a while ago. You could check that out. Also, Eclipse, download Eclipse and install that as well. Check that out as well, and some basic coding in there as well. So you could check them videos out before you play this video. So yeah, let's start. First of all, what you need to do, go to a browser of your chosen browser, and just go into well, I already got it open, but I'll just show you anyways. Just type in install and download Java. Then you could go to about uh, JUnit. It's a trusted website, so you don't need to worry about it. Then you have the on the page, once you're in there, you will have something here and under welcome, download and install. So what we need to do, click on that. Once that appears, you should have an option. There's two options, we need both. So well, if you're adding a Maven, all you need is that as well, but we're going to install the jars. So what we're doing, we're going to download first of all JUnit jar. Yeah, there's an option there, click on download and then click on jar. Yeah, save a file, and that should save to your downloads. And then we go back and we go to the Hamcrest core jar, and we need to download that as well. Yep, so let's go. Once it turns up, yeah. So download that jar. Yeah. So then we go to our downloaded documents, and as you could see, both of them are there. So what we do, we put them in our trusted location where we keep all our other, for example, Java files. So what I've done, I've got a folder here called Java libraries. Uh, so I'll put all my documents in there. So I'll just put them in there. That's there. So then what we need to do is go to our Eclipse. So let's go out to our Eclipse. Uh, in Eclipse, you need to create a folder, which I already, sorry, a project. So I already created a project. If you need to create a project, like I said, have a look at the video in description. It shows you how to create a project. But you can also go to the new here and then Java project and then create a project and then obviously create a package for that. So I already created a project and package. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a, before I create a class, we need to import these. So right and click on your Selenium, your project, and then go to properties, and in properties, if you go to Java build path and then libraries and then click on module path. So and then after that click on add external jars, and if you go back, if I go back to my Java libraries, and then I've got my Hamcrest core and JUnit here, click on open and then apply and close. Yeah, so what we need to do then is go here, create a class. So let's create a class. So I'd say let's call it my first unit test. Yeah, my first unit test. So we're not gonna have a main method because obviously we're using JUnit to run our test. Okay, there's my class. So I'm just gonna create a quick. So we need the JUnit. Let's see. So let's have a public method, public void my first test, and then if you do, oops, yeah, if you do system, we just print some. So we're gonna print mm, my first unit test. Right, so if you go hover over that test, it should give us some options. Yeah, so it gives us option there. So it's the annotation we need. Oh no, we don't need target. We need test, and then here add to a build path. Yeah, that should work. Okay, so what's the problem? Why have I missed out here? Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it was missing the JUnit model through info. So just remember that. So that is done. Let's just run it now, see what happens. So run that test. Well, it's still building. There we go. So there's our first test. Nice and easy. My first test and the JUnit, and you got here all the it's telling you how many tests we got. So we just run a one in a test, my unit. So that's nice and easy. So I hope you like this. Make sure you keep on watching these videos, and if it did help you, just share it with your friends and family, and come back for more videos. Thank you for joining me again.